everyone, I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walkthrough Wednesday, brought to you by the award-winning developers of Nocatee, the Park Group. And I am thrilled to be once again in one of my favorite neighborhoods, Liberty Cove at Crosswater. And today I'm excited because Jamie is joining us, and he is one of the two amazing site agents. One of my favorites, I'm going to be honest with you, and Denise is the other.
Right.
So I'm not going to lie. I mean, she is my girl right here. But I'm with Jamie today. It's okay. So,
I will say this is my favorite neighborhood, Liberty Cove. Okay?
I know, it really is. So we're with David Weekley Homes. And David Weekley Homes is one of our fabulous builders. They've been here from the beginning. You need to come and see Jamie today. So Jamie's going to show us this great model home. Jamie, tell us about it.
Well, the great thing about Liberty Cove is all the options you have. We go from about 1,500 square feet all the way up to 2,300 square feet. This one right here is the Haden. It's kind of in the middle, a little over 1,800 square feet. So we're going to go inside. It's a 3-2. Come on inside. Carling's our beautiful photog today.
We'll get you on camera again.
Now the cool thing about this home is it opens up with a flex space. It's about 200 square feet in here. Now it's set up as an office right now. It's certainly not my desk. I don't keep it that neat. But you can do all kinds of things in here. You could set this up as a sitting room. You could actually close it off and have French doors right here, close off the back. This is a flex space study. I would set it up as a bar. That's kind of my thing. I wouldn't set it up like this because my desk.
It's great though. I do like that y'all have painted it. You've showed it. It's a different space. And Jamie's idea of putting the French doors here really gives you a nice walkway to lead you into the main home. So you could bypass this space. But I do love the two beautiful windows. Carling, if you can get that.
Yep.
Just because it's showing lots of natural light. David Weekley is known for natural light, great use of space, great storage. So we'll see that throughout. And first storage is right here.
Speaking of storage,
A great coat closet. So on those rainy summer afternoons, it's great. You can put your raincoat in there, put your umbrellas in there.
Now this is the part of the tour
Wow.
where buyers come in and they say,
wow.
right, like that.
No, this is amazing, Jamie. Now this space really is my favorite. Tell us about this beautiful kitchen.
Well, this is how the kitchen would come. This is how it comes. You could, if you want, obviously, make what we call the designer kitchen or the gourmet kitchen. You could have the hood over the cooktop, and you could have the built-in ovens. But this is how it would come,
I love that.
you know, aside from the colors and materials.
And nice island, Carling, if you'll get the island, because it's a nice size. Of course, they have it formally set up because we are in a model. But this has great space. They have 4 stools back here. Plus, if you turn around, Jamie, now talk about this. We don't have a formal dining room in here, which I actually prefer. This is the type of floor plan I love.
Yeah, buyers seem to like this too. And again, Heather, the natural light here. If you're
Lots.
a fan of natural light, you're gonna love David Weekley Homes.
Absolutely.
And we do the Anderson low E windows, that comes included. So even when the sun's coming in, you can just touch it and feel it.
And it's not
You can't
hot.
feel the heat.
And also, that's important to say, I want everyone to look up what low E means if you don't know, because that is a great feature of a David Weekley home. And I also want to point out, there is so much noise outside with the construction, because Liberty Cove truly is a great neighborhood and becoming wildly popular, because they have this amazing pond that you can live on, or you can live outside. So there's no back-to-back houses in Liberty Cove, a great selling feature. But because we can't hear that noise, Jamie will talk about it when we get to this great room that they talk about the David Weekley Energy Saver home. But it's very quiet in here.
More natural light in here in the living room, high ceilings. All the homes in here will be at least 9 feet ceilings.
And Jamie's very tall. To be honest with you, I mean, Jamie, you're 6.
I'm 6'5".
He's 6'5", and I
The
just
doors are 8 feet.
Yeah, and
Right,
I
yeah.
wanted to point out Jamie's height because it's just showing you that with Jamie being as tall as he is, these ceilings are so high. This room is huge. It really gives this great space.
I can stretch my neck out in here.
Yeah, but I think that's important, and it's
Right.
great because your partner Denise, I love it. You know, she's a little petite thing, so it's nice to see the difference and show. Just, I mean, these are nice size houses. Now look at this magnificent
Wow.
outdoor space.
There you go.
I love it.
All right, here's the best part. One of the best.
Yeah, the collapsible doors. I love that.
So this covered portion, this is how it would come normally. We've chosen to bump it out a little bit here, but this is a huge lanai.
I love this. I mean, and y'all, this is, so this model happens to be off of one of the roads over here, but I will tell you, they put in these beautiful trees. These will fill in. So even if you choose one of these lots, which are David Weekley and the other builders in this community, it doesn't matter because it's still large. You can have a dog out here running around. If you have children, you have that still that great yard space. But this outdoor living space, it really is huge, and it's always hard to see on camera, but I mean that sincerely. It's beautiful.
And the home sites in this community don't get any smaller than this.
See, that's good to know.
Right.
So if you come see this model, you're only going to get bigger then.
They're going to be at least 40 by 125.
But this is still nice size, Jamie.
Sure.
This is a great size.
The ones on the preserve are going to be 15 to 20 feet deeper. And if you choose to go with one of our 2-story homes, then you have square footage going up as opposed to back, so it gives you plenty of room for a pool, whatever you want to do. And most of the homes in here are going to be on the preserve or on the lake.
Which is beautiful.
So-
And Carly, get that view of the inside real quick.
Oh, yes.
Just to show amazing entertaining space. Indoor, outdoor. This is perfect really for any lifestyle stage, whether you're, a new young family or just a single person or you're an empty nester. This home and this layout really can fit those needs.
And Carly, another thing that you could see from a David Weekley home, look at the massing, look at the thickness of these walls.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
See the columns over there? You'll always notice the half walls are going to be this thick for quality construction.
Oh, Heather.
Oh, laundry
Look
room.
at that, Heather.
Okay, this is a great size laundry room. I mean that. I promise you. I'm not just saying it because I won't say it at all. It's not a good laundry room. But I can promise you this. And tell me again the model we're in. The Haden.
The Haden.
This model, so the Haden model, this laundry room is a perfect size. I mean that sincerely. And actually, Jamie told me that we can have the option to put a door here or not. So I actually wouldn't put a door. I mean, Jamie said he might, but I wouldn't because it just really gives you even more space on the walls to hang stuff. But I love, love, love that laundry room.
How about this owner's retreat in here? Huge windows, again, Anderson windows. If you don't have the right windows, you could lose a lot of that energy efficiency. David Weekley does it right. Nice size room in here. This is a king size bed, to give you an idea. You have tray
Wow.
ceilings in here.
I shut the door because as you were talking, I started to hear noise because I had those doors open. Now it's quiet again.
Completely.
Yeah, completely quiet.
All right, come on over here. Check this out. It's going to be another wow.
Oh, I love it. This is great. And look at the beautiful shower.
Yes.
talk to
So
us
this
about the
is what we
shower.
call the super shower. This is an option you can get. This now, my wingspan's about 6.5 feet, so
Yeah.
this is 7 feet long.
Huge.
It's huge, but it's not obnoxiously
Right.
huge. This is a great size. Again, comfortable, regard how tall
Mhm,
you are, short you are. And I do love the rain shower
Yeah.
with the regular shower head.
If you're a fan of a tub, you could choose the garden tub with a smaller shower as
Sure.
well.
No, I wouldn't though. This is beautiful. And I love how you did the tile to the ceiling. Absolutely beautiful. And then I'm excited to go back to the closet because again, David Weekley, a great feature. Then talk to us about the shelf.
Look at the size of this closet here.
This is perfect.
It really is a huge closet. And then Carly, once you get that
Yep.
shelf, let Jamie tell you about it.
We get the luggage rack up here. The old David Weekley homes are going to have that great space for your luggage up there. Otherwise, it'd be wasted space. But you got these high ceilings, might as well utilize it, right?
And I love that you guys do that luggage rack. And now I feel like some builders might be stealing your ideas, but we all know it started with David Weekley. We do know that. But that's important. Just beautiful. This home is breathtaking. But I actually want to talk about why is Liberty Cove one of my favorite neighborhoods? Why is Crosswater?
One of?
Okay, it is
Come on,
my
say
favorite.
it. Come on.
Okay, Liberty Cove is my favorite right now. But why Crosswater, to be honest with you? Why this area is my favorite? Number one, if you move down here to Crosswater, you'll have your own homeowner association park. It's called the schoolyard. You'll have your own playgrounds. You'll have your own old style schoolhouse. You'll have dog parks just for your neighborhoods. However, steps away from Crosswater, you're going to have the Nocatee Landing. In the Nocatee Landing, that's our newest non-motorized watercraft launch. So doing canoes, kayaks, paddleboards. But why is that cool? Because you're going to be launching down at Guana State Park and the Nocatee Preserve. So it's breathtaking. And last but not least, You guys are getting Crosswater Park. I know we're seeing bedrooms, but I think we could just talk over
Sure.
that because these are just great, beautiful bedrooms. But Crosswater Park is being brought to you in a year. You're going to have your own pool about maybe a half a mile away at the tops from the furthest home in this neighborhood. The furthest home.
Oh, you
Not
can
even a
walk.
half a mile,
Sure.
quarter mile. You're going to have pools, dog parks, playgrounds, athletic fields. You're actually getting a little volleyball court.
Sand volleyball court.
Sand volleyball
yeah,
court.
so you could dive and not
So,
hurt yourself.
yes, you can. So the point is Crosswater is the place to be. So Jamie, now we're going to talk about why when you come to Crosswater choosing David Weekley.
Well, you're probably thinking, what the heck is this room? It's not finished. Well, this is actually a bedroom. This is bedroom number 3.
Yes.
I wouldn't choose to decorate it like this, but we decorate it like this to show you what's behind the walls of a David Weekley home. Now, this is probably what your home is made of right now. This is what the code is.
Yes.
This is 2x4 exterior walls. We do not do this. So if you're looking at this, no, we don't do this. We do 2x6 exterior walls, not only because it's sturdier, but more importantly, you get thicker walls, thicker insulation, and that means lower energy costs. As a matter of fact, you're going to have guaranteed heating and cooling costs with a David Weekley home. We're the only ones in here that do the radiant barrier decking underneath the roof deck. It actually,
It's just a part of building your
yeah,
home.
whether you get a $300,000 home or a $3 million David Weekley home, these are the things you're going to get.
See, and that's what I love is what Jamie just said. It doesn't matter the price of your home. David Weekley is building quality homes because they care about the buyer. And again, I want you to come see Jamie and Denise. And I'm sorry earlier I said Denise was still my favorite because you're now my favorite, Jamie. I'm sorry. I just love you guys. But David Weekley Homes, a great part of our Nocatee family. 3 great reasons you need to move down here. But number 1, for Liberty Cove, you can live on the pond, which is massive, or you can live outside.
A lot of privacy.
A lot of privacy. So please come see Jamie and Denise today, David Weekley Homes. It's Walk Through Wednesday, brought to you by the Park Group. Bye.
See you soon.
Bye.